Good morning, Roya, Chelsea, Miriam, Claire, Christina, and Rachel. I hope you're all enjoying your long lockdown, and I hope you're doing lots of work and you're being really good for your parents. So, this video is our little math session. So, we're going to do a few things today. We're going to do counting songs, and we're going to talk about the empty number line. Hopefully it'll work because I have my green screen set up and I have my big drum with me. So yeah, the classroom's a bit boring, isn't it? Why don't we do it in a princess's castle? Ooh, very nice. Excellent. Okay, so as I said, I've got my big drum, and let's hope it doesn't drown out my talking, but fingers crossed. Okay, so we're going to count to 10, up and down to 10 first, to the rhythm, and I want you singing along. Okay, so you can listen the first few times, and then I want you to join in. And then we're going to do up and down to 20, just to warm us up before we get into the empty number line and proper maths. Okay, very good. So, oh yeah. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to try counting down from 10. So if we start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, blah, it's hard. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try that. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I messed that one up. But, okay, so you've got the rhythms, and I want you to do the counting. I'm going to give you guys a go. I'll just play the rhythm. But I want you to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And I want you to do that twice. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to go backwards. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? You ready to try that on your own? I'll do the rhythm. So I'm going to start singing it with you, and then I'll stop, but the drum will keep going, so I want you guys to keep saying it for me. Okay, so counting down from 10. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. Messed that up. Let me try again. Okay, so 10, 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. Very good. Okay, so I think maybe we'll count from 20 to in the next video. Up and down from 20. So I want you girls to practice that. I know you're good at counting up to 10, but remember counting down from 10 is very important as well, because when we're doing takeaway and subtractions and minuses, it's good to know how to count backwards so you can be really quick. Okay? Excellent. So now I'm going to explain to you. We're going to do two sums. I think the Princess Castle will have to go, and I need a white screen behind me. So yeah, that worked. Very good. The first sum we're going to do is 5 plus something equals 17. Now, I know you all know how to work this out, okay? First thing you need to do is draw your empty number line. Very good. Then you look at your sum. You have to put the smaller number on the left hand side, and you have to put the bigger number on the right hand side. Excellent. Oh, I forgot to mention, you girls will need a pencil, paper and a rubber, because I want you to do this along with me as I say it. So it's fine, you can pause the video now and go off and get your pencils and resources, and when you come back you can unpause the video and you can do it with me. So I'll sit here and wait for a minute. Pause. Very good. Okay, welcome back. So we have our empty number line. Oh, first things first, write your problem at the top, girls. So it's 5 plus something equals 17. Very good. And draw your empty number line and put the bigger number on the right hand side and the smaller number on the left hand side. Excellent. Okay, so our first number is 5. So we're going to have to see if we jump over a decade. We have to see if we pass a 10 to make the jump easier for us. So let's count from 5 to 17 and see if we get to a 10 before we get to 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we did. We got to a 10 before a 17. So we better put a 10 in the middle, shouldn't we? Nice. Okay, will you guys write that down? So now we have two big jumps to do. Our first jump is from 5 to 10, and our second jump is from 10 to 17. Okay, so let's worry about the first jump first. 5 to 10. Now we should know that, but let's count up anyway to be safe. So we start with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many fingers are we holding up? 5. So the first jump is 5. Excellent. Now let's try the second jump. So we're counting from 10 to 17. So we start on an empty fist. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many fingers are we holding up? 7. So our second jump is 7. Very good. So take that down, please. Now, our 2 jumps together are 5 plus 7. So we pick the smaller number again, which is, that's right, it's 5. And we start on the bigger number. So closed fist again. We start on 7. Oh, not closed fist, silly Mr. Mock. It's open fist. We hold up the smaller number, which is 5 fingers. And we start counting on the bigger number. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means that if you add 5 and 7, you get 12. So when we join our 2 jumps up, add our 2 jumps up, we end up with 12. So that must be the answer. Very good, fill it in. So 5 plus 12 equals 17. Excellent work. Now, I'm going to let you try and do the next one on your own. So I want you, when I give you the sum, I want you to pause it, try and work it out, and then we'll work. Then if you struggle, you can play the video again and I'll explain it. Okay, brilliant. So the next sum is going to be 16. Sorry. The next problem is going to be, because it's only a sum when you add 2 things. The next problem is going to be 16 take away 2. So, have a go yourself. Pause the video and have a go yourself. Okay, welcome back. I'm hoping you worked out how to do that, but it was a subtraction problem, so it was slightly different, but kind of the same using the empty number line. So let's work it out. Okay, first thing we need to do is draw our empty number line. Then the next thing is we write the big number on the right hand side and the small number on the left hand side. Excellent. Now we're going to have to work out if we land on 10 in the middle. So to do that, we're going to count from 2 to 16 and see if we pass a 10. So let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we passed the 10 before we get to the 16. That means we better put a 10 in the middle and we can break it into 2 jumps. Boom. Excellent. So, now the first thing we need to do is work out our smaller jumps. So let's go from 2 to 10. So we start on a closed fist and we have to count up to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers have I up? 8. So our first jump is 8. And now our second jump, we're going from 10 to 16. So we start on a closed fist again and we count up to 16. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many fingers do we have up? 6. So our second jump is 6. Now we have to work out. we have to add our 2 jumps to work out how big our full jump is. So we had 8 and 6. So we pick the smaller number, which is 6, and we hold up 6 fingers, and then we start counting from the bigger number. So, which was 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So when we add our 2 jumps, our answer is 14. So that means that 16 minus 2 equals 14. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to give you some more that I want you to do on your own. So I'm going to write them down, and then they will magically appear on the board. I love my green screen. Okay, so the first one I'm going to get you to do, I'll give you 3 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. And then, if you do 1 a day, you will have them all done by our next video. And if you want to send me a video of your answers or an email with your answers, I will be very happy. Or even a photograph. Get your mom or dad to email it to me. Perfect. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is an addition. We'll give you the 3 additions first and then the 2 subtractions. Okay, so 6 plus something equals 15. Better put it up there. Nice. Okay, the next one is... Oh, take that down, please. Very good. The next one is 4 plus something equals 12. Nice. Okay, so take that down as well. I think my hair is hitting the microphone. So if you hear a bong noise, just ignore it. It's Mr. Mock not being very good at making videos yet. But by the end of lockdown, I will be amazing. Hopefully. As long as we enjoy them, that's the most important thing. Okay, the next sum we're going to do is 7 plus something equals 19. So we finish on, oh, nice. We'll finish on a hard one. Okay, so there are your 3 addition problems, and your 2 subtraction problems are 14 take away 3. No, we'll make it 14 take away 5 equals something. Very good. Take that down, please. And the last one will be 9. No. The last one will be 16 take away 9. Make it nice and tricky. Oh, very good. Okay, girls, so I think that is the full lesson. Let me know how you get on. If you need to look back at the video, just pause it or rewind or look at it again just to go through the explanation if you have any problems. And if you don't, and you get them all right, send me a picture or a video or an email and I will be very happy. So I only want you to do 1 of those sums a day. Okay? Brilliant. But oh, well, let's go back to the Princess Castle. I like it. Okay, girls. I will see you next week. Bye bye.